Why should you care about press release backlinks? That's a question that's been buzzing around in the world of digital marketing. And the answer? It's simple. They're a game changer in the realm of SEO strategy. Let's start by understanding the significance of backlinks. Picture backlinks as bridges, connecting various websites on the vast landscape of the internet. When one website links to another, it builds a bridge that search engines and users can cross. This bridge signals to search engines that the linked website has valuable content, and as a result, it can positively impact the website's search engine ranking. Now imagine these bridges are built from press releases. Press release backlinks are like superhighways, driving high-speed traffic straight to your website. They originate from press releases that are distributed on various media outlets. When a press release about your website or business is published and includes a link back to your site, that's a press release backlink. So how do press release backlinks improve a website's search engine ranking? The more high-quality backlinks your website has, the more it can be seen as an authority in its field by search engines. And when search engines see you as an authority, they're more likely to rank your site higher in search results. But the benefits don't stop at improved rankings. Press release backlinks also enhance online visibility. They provide a platform for your website or business to be seen by a wider audience. This increased exposure can lead to higher traffic levels, more leads, and ultimately more conversions. In essence, press release backlinks are a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal. They're not only bridges that connect your website to the rest of the digital world, but also superhighways that drive traffic and enhance online visibility. Press release backlinks, therefore, are not just desirable, but absolutely essential for any SEO strategy. So, buckle up and get ready to dive deeper into the world of press release backlinks in our upcoming scenes. But what exactly are press release backlinks, you might ask? Well, let's dive right into it. Press release backlinks are a type of backlink that originates from press release websites. These websites are platforms where companies can publish news about their latest products, services, or events. When a company includes a link to their website in a published press release, that link becomes a press release backlink. Now you might be wondering, how are these different from regular backlinks? The answer lies in the source. Regular backlinks can come from any website, whereas press release backlinks specifically come from press release websites. But why does this matter? The source of a backlink can greatly impact its effectiveness. Press release websites are often seen as credible sources of information. Therefore, a backlink from a press release website can help to build your website's credibility in the eyes of search engines. This can help to improve your website's search engine ranking. Now that we've defined what press release backlinks are, let's discuss how they work. When a search engine crawls a website, it follows all the links on that website. This includes backlinks. When a search engine follows a backlink to your website, it takes note of the source of that backlink. If the source is a credible one, like a press release website, the search engine will view your website more favorably. This can help to improve your website's search engine ranking. So how can press release backlinks be utilized for SEO purposes? By publishing press releases on credible press release websites and including backlinks to your website in those press releases, you can help to build your website's credibility and improve its search engine ranking. Now that you have a grasp of what press release backlinks are, it's time to learn how to acquire them. Stay tuned as we dive into the nitty-gritty of acquiring these valuable backlinks in the next segment. Acquiring press release backlinks may seem daunting, but with a clear strategy, it becomes manageable. Let's break this process down into clear, actionable steps. Our first step is to identify press release opportunities. Start by looking for newsworthy events or announcements related to your brand or industry. This could be anything from a product launch, an upcoming event, a new partnership, or even a significant milestone your company has reached. Remember, the key here is relevance and impact. Your news should be relevant to your industry and impactful enough to attract the attention of the press. Once you've identified a suitable opportunity, the next step is crafting a compelling press release. This is where you tell your story. Start with a catchy headline that grabs attention. Then, in the body of the press release, provide all the necessary details. This includes who, what, when, where, and why. Make sure your press release is engaging and concise, providing all the vital information without fluff. Now, an essential aspect to keep in mind when writing your press release is to incorporate your targeted keywords naturally. This is crucial for SEO purposes, as it helps search engines understand what your content is about and who might find it relevant. But remember, while it's essential to include keywords, don't overdo it. The focus should be on creating a high-quality, engaging press release that offers value to readers. Next up is optimizing your press release for backlinks. This means including links back to your website within the press release. These could be links to your homepage, a product page, or a relevant blog post. But again, moderation is key. Too many links can make your press release look spammy, which can deter publishers from picking it up. Once your press release is ready, it's time to distribute it. There are numerous press release distribution services available, both free and paid. Choose a service that aligns with your goals and budget. When selecting a service, consider its reach, the industries it serves, and the types of media outlets it targets. Now, after you've distributed your press release, don't just sit back and wait for backlinks to roll in. Follow up with journalists and bloggers who picked up your press release. Thank them for their coverage and build relationships. This can lead to more press coverage and backlinks in the future. Finally, track your results. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website's traffic and check if there's an increase in visitors from your press release. Also, use backlink checking tools to see if you have gained any new backlinks from your press release. With these steps, you can start acquiring press release backlinks for your website. It's a process that requires effort and patience, but the potential benefits in terms of SEO and brand visibility make it well worth the investment. To get the most out of your press release backlinks, follow these best practices. First and foremost, let's talk about the role of high-quality content. The content of your press release is like the heart of your backlink strategy. It needs to be strong, healthy, and full of life. Make sure your content is relevant, engaging, and provides value to your readers. This can significantly increase the chance of your press release being picked up by reputable news outlets, which in turn can lead to high-quality backlinks. Next, let's discuss the importance of proper keyword use. Keywords are like the signposts in your content. They guide search engines to your press release. To optimize your press release for search engines, you need to strategically place relevant keywords throughout your content. However, remember, overstuffing your content with keywords can have a negative impact. The golden rule is to keep it natural and reader-friendly. Now, let's move on to the importance of regular monitoring and evaluation. Think of this as your press release's health checkup. Regularly monitor your backlinks to ensure they are still active and contributing to your search engine optimization. Use a backlink checker tool to keep track of your backlinks performance. This will help you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to tweak your strategy for better results. In addition, don't forget to keep an eye on your competitors' backlinks as well. This can provide you with valuable insights into what strategies they are using and how you can adapt them to your advantage. Lastly, remember that building high-quality backlinks is a marathon, not a sprint. It may take time to see significant results, but with patience, consistency, and adherence to these best practices, you'll be well on your way to reaping the benefits. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your press release backlinks are effective and beneficial. Let's recap what we've learned about press release backlinks. We've discovered that these backlinks are an indispensable tool in the SEO arsenal, providing a powerful boost to your website's visibility and credibility. They serve as a bridge, connecting your content to a wider audience and driving traffic to your site. We've also delved into the process of acquiring these backlinks, emphasizing the importance of crafting a compelling press release, targeting the right news outlets, and ensuring your content is newsworthy and relevant. We've underscored best practices, such as maintaining a consistent release schedule, ensuring the quality of your content, and diversifying your link portfolio. These practices are vital in maximizing the potential benefits of your press release backlinks. With this knowledge, you're now ready to leverage press release backlinks for your SEO strategy. Remember, the key to success is consistency and quality.